How custard tarts are made.
Sweaty muffins.
Stir the big handles.
Welcome to No Budget Factory Description. My name is...
Factory description.
The lady is entering the factory.
Scorch the muffins.
This is in Europe. Factory in Europe who makes custard pies. The big long leg.
All the buckets of custards. You serve yourself nicely baked custards.
Feel the weight of the pastry against the ceramic tin.
Check with Penelope. Bring out big barrels of bread.
Barrel. Ooh, smooth breads. Should make a spine out of the bread.
Who's on the head to the kitchen?
Ah, ow. Ow. That's what the pastry would be saying if it had a mind.
You really distribute what the pastries.
They're all very fast at this. You can tell they've worked at this factory for years. Get the big get the big logs of pastry and put them up on the table.
She's done this for years. She's sick of it.
Drop it.
You gather round with friends and make pies.
Get nitty gritty with it. No machines. Just the human fingers. Don't worry.
Get the big buckets.
Here's custard. Just mix it till it's
That's
smooth.
the custard spoon.
Yeah.
Custard tip.
Yeah. Shoot it out of big breasts. There you go. That's what they call stiff peaks in pastry arts. There's outside of a building.
Right.
And you can never tell it's a pie factory from the outside.
Scorch the pies till they're black.
Look at the lovely round tops on those pies. Mm.
There you have yourself some custard pies. Have to chat about how wonderful they look.
What are you doing?
No!
Don't put them on top of each other.
Put them back! Oh, put them back.
Ooh. Save some for me. Those look divine.
My blood type is pumpkin pies. Season them with chicken salt, if you dare.
Now what you can do, these shakers don't come with the pies, but I would recommend them because it means you can put chocolate sauce on.
And when they crumble down onto the table, you sort of lose about half the pie. So be sure to make double the amount of pie so you don't lose too much pie.
That is a beautiful texture. Every time I take a bite, it's like back in my childhood. The absolute craftsmanship in these pies. Each pie is like a little work of art. Especially the truffle, the cinnamon powder on the top of the pies. Each one is beautiful.
You could live in them.